everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Beautiful sunny day, really excited about it. Got the boat show coming up and a absolutely huge selection of boats getting ready to go to the show. Today we're on one of our leftover 2018 Sea Ray 270 SeaDeks. This is a brand new boat. We don't get many of these left over, folks, and when they do, they pretty much go pretty fast at the prices that we offer them on, so be sure to give us a call to find out the clearance pricing on this specific model. This is a very accommodating, very spacious boat with a very versatile seating arrangement. What a nice social, engaging area here in the back of the boat. Flip up bolsters for the captain's seat and co-captain's seat. Reversible lean backs to get yourself a nice rear-facing lounger. Same thing with this side. Again, converts to make it a nice rear-facing lounger. This boat does come equipped with a pump-out head and sink. We did equip this boat with the optional Watersports Tower for pulling the kids on the skis and knee boards. Bimini top, full snap-on covers. And then check out this rear entertainment area. Again, another huge sun pad to be able to lounge and rear face on while anchored off and swimming. Nice transom walkthrough with rear stereo remote and shower. Look at the size of this swim deck. This boat also does have the optional submersible swim step. You'll never use the ladder again when you have that. And I'm going to hand the phone over to Scott Ryerson. He's going to give you a glimpse of what the outside of the boat looks like. Scott, take it from here.
All right, so I'm going to take you around here, up to the front. Here's the outside of the trailer. Dual axle aluminum Westco trailer. Shot there of the nice coverage from the Bimini on the tower arch. Around the back, swim deck with the immersible step for easy access into the boat. And there you have it, our 270 2018 Sea Ray SeaDek. Come in and see us at MarineMax in Greenville, and we'll be happy to show you this wonderful boat. Thank you.